If you're over 60 and your knees feel stiff when you get out of bed, or your ankles swell after a short walk, you're not alone. A lot of older adults believe this is just a normal part of aging. But what many don't realize is that something deeper is happening inside the body, something that can actually be helped. You see, as we grow older, our body starts losing collagen. And collagen is the very thing that keeps our joints cushioned, our legs strong, and our movements smooth. So in this video, I'm going to show you 7 powerful vegetables that support collagen production, fight inflammation, and help you feel more steady, more mobile, and more in control again. Some of these might surprise you, and the one ranked number 5? It's probably already in your kitchen, and most seniors have no idea how powerful it actually is. Before we dive in, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Drop your city or state in the comments below. I always love seeing how far our community is reaching. 1. Spinach. You see, spinach doesn't contain collagen directly. But what it does do is help your body make more of it. That's because it's packed with nutrients like vitamin C, magnesium, and iron, which are all needed to build and protect collagen, the soft tissue that cushions your joints and keeps your movements smooth. Think of vitamin C as the glue that holds the collagen fibers together. Without it, your body struggles to repair worn-down areas in your knees, ankles, or hips. Magnesium plays a different but equally important role. It reduces inflammation around your joints and improves blood flow, so healing happens faster. And iron? It carries oxygen to your joint tissues, helping every little cell stay strong and alive. What's great is that spinach doesn't need to be eaten in large amounts to be helpful. In fact, one study found that older adults who added spinach to their meals just 4 times a week began to notice less stiffness and better movement within 6 weeks. They didn't change their routines or take new medications, they simply started eating more spinach. The other bonus? Spinach is incredibly easy to include in meals. You can toss it into soups, sauté it with olive oil and garlic, or add a handful to your morning smoothie. It blends in easily without changing the flavor too much, and your joints will thank you for it. Many older adults think they need pills or powders to feel better. But spinach shows that real food, something as simple as a leafy green, can offer lasting support. It works quietly but steadily, helping your body from the inside out. So next time you're at the store and pass by that bunch of spinach, don't ignore it. Add it to your cart. Your knees, hips, and ankles might not say anything right away, but over time, they'll show you just how much they appreciate it. 2. Broccoli, your natural inflammation fighter. Maybe you've thought of it as just a basic side dish, or something the grandkids won't eat. But what many seniors don't realize is that broccoli is actually one of the strongest natural tools to fight inflammation, that silent problem behind most joint pain. As we age, inflammation tends to build up in the body, especially around the knees, hips, and ankles. It makes movement harder, causes swelling, and wears down the cartilage that's supposed to cushion your joints. And that's where broccoli steps in. Broccoli is rich in a compound called sulforaphane. Don't worry about remembering the name, it's what this compound does that matters. Sulforaphane goes into your body and acts like a cleanup crew. It helps clear out the harmful molecules that attack joint tissue and make it harder for your body to repair itself. Over time, this reduces swelling and protects your joints from further damage. But sulforaphane isn't the only thing broccoli brings to the table. It's also packed with vitamin C and vitamin K. Vitamin C helps your body make stronger collagen, which is like the cushion between your bones. Vitamin K is just as important. It helps direct calcium to your bones where it belongs, instead of letting it build up in soft tissues like your joints, where it causes pain and stiffness. There was a study done with older adults where participants ate broccoli 3 times a week. After 12 weeks, many of them reported less pain in their knees and hips, and even showed improved range of motion. Blood tests confirmed that inflammation levels had dropped significantly. Broccoli is easy to prepare. You can steam it lightly, roast it with a bit of olive oil, or toss it into soups and casseroles. If regular broccoli gives you gas or feels too heavy, you can try broccoli sprouts. They're softer and easier on the stomach but still full of sulforaphane. So, if inflammation has been slowing you down, making stairs harder or walking less comfortable, adding broccoli to your meals might help turn that around. 3. Garlic. Garlic might be small, but when it comes to joint health, it carries a powerful punch. Most people think of garlic as just something to add flavor to meals, but for seniors dealing with stiff knees, sore hips, or swollen ankles, garlic can be much more than that. It's not just a spice, it's a tool your body can use to help rebuild and protect itself. The secret behind garlic's power is something called sulfur compounds, especially one called allicin. These compounds become active when you crush or chop garlic. And they play a key role in one very important job, helping your body create and protect collagen. You've probably heard a lot about collagen by now. It's the protein that cushions your joints, supports your tendons, and helps keep everything moving smoothly. But here's what many people don't know: sulfur is one of the basic building blocks of collagen. Without enough of it, your body simply can't make strong, flexible joint tissue. That's why garlic is so helpful. It provides your body with the natural sulfur it needs to support that process. But garlic doesn't stop there. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that help calm swelling in the joints. Inflammation is one of the biggest reasons older adults experience joint pain. It builds up quietly and slowly, making it harder to move without discomfort. In a 2020 study, seniors who ate fresh garlic regularly reported a 28% reduction in joint pain in just 2 months. And many of them said they felt better doing everyday things like getting up from a chair or walking around the house. Garlic also supports circulation, which is especially important as we age. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients get delivered to your joints, which helps with healing and reduces that heavy, tired feeling in your legs. If you want to get the most benefit, use garlic fresh. Crush or chop it and let it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking. This gives the allicin time to activate. Add it to soups, cook it with vegetables, or mix it into sauces. A little goes a long way, and your joints will thank you for it. 4. Carrots. Carrots might seem like nothing more than a crunchy snack or something you toss into soup, but for older adults, they can play a surprisingly helpful role in joint health. If you've been feeling that dry, grinding sensation in your knees when you walk, or if your hips feel sore after standing too long, carrots may offer some quiet relief you weren't expecting. What makes carrots special isn't just their bright color, it's what's inside. They're packed with beta-carotene, a nutrient that your body turns into vitamin A. And vitamin A is extremely important when it comes to protecting and repairing cartilage, that smooth layer inside your joints that helps bones glide without pain. As we age, cartilage naturally wears down. It becomes thinner, less flexible, and more likely to get damaged. That's what leads to discomfort, cracking sounds, and stiffness. But vitamin A helps slow down that wear and tear. It supports the cells that keep cartilage healthy, and it encourages your body to maintain the cushioning you already have. In short, it keeps your joints better protected from the inside. But that's not all. Carrots also contain polyacetylenes, which are plant compounds known for reducing inflammation in joint tissue. These work behind the scenes to calm the stress that makes cartilage break down even faster. And less inflammation means less swelling, less pain, and a better chance of moving freely again. There's research to back this up. In a study involving seniors over 60, those who ate carrots and other beta-carotene-rich vegetables several times a week showed slower joint damage, better mobility, and less need for pain medication compared to those who didn't. It wasn't a miracle fix, but the progress was steady and real. Carrots are incredibly easy to add to your diet. You can eat them raw as a snack, roast them with olive oil to bring out their natural sweetness, or blend them into soups and stews. And when you eat them with a little healthy fat, like olive oil or avocado, the body absorbs the beta-carotene even better. So if your joints have been giving you trouble, think about adding a little more orange to your plate. One carrot won't change everything, but a few servings a week might just give your knees and hips the support they need to move a little easier, and hurt a little less. 5. Onions. You probably don't think of onions as anything special. They're just something you cook with, right? But what if I told you that this everyday vegetable could quietly help your joints feel better, without you even realizing it? For older adults dealing with stiff knees, swollen ankles, or aching hips, onions can actually help your body rebuild the support it's been losing over the years. The key lies in a powerful natural compound found in onions called quercetin. It's a strong antioxidant that helps calm inflammation, protect your joints, and support the collagen your body still wants to make. Quercetin works a bit like a shield. It blocks the damage caused by chronic inflammation, the kind that builds up slowly and silently as we age. This kind of inflammation is often the reason joints feel sore, stiff, or swollen, even when you haven't done anything to strain them. But onions go one step further. They're also rich in sulfur compounds, which are crucial for the formation of collagen. Remember, collagen is like the cushion inside your joints. It gives strength to your tendons, elasticity to your ligaments, and flexibility to your cartilage. Without enough sulfur, your body struggles to create that cushion. That's why adding sulfur-rich foods like onions can be such a game-changer for seniors. In one study, older adults who included onions in their meals at least 5 times per week saw noticeable improvements. They had less swelling in their hands and ankles, and their joint function improved during daily activities. Even lab tests showed lower markers of inflammation in their blood, suggesting that their bodies were healing, not just feeling better, but actually getting stronger. Now, you don't need to eat onions by the bowl to see results. Just make them a regular part of your meals. Sauté them gently in olive oil, toss them into soups and stews, or add them raw to salads if you like a bit of crunch. Red onions have the most quercetin, but even yellow or white onions offer real benefits. So the next time you're cooking, don't just add onions for taste, add them for healing. They're doing more for your joints than you think, quietly helping your body hold itself together one bite at a time. 6. Kale. If you've ever heard people call kale a superfood, there's a good reason for it. But what many older adults don't realize is that kale isn't just trendy, it's deeply healing, especially for your joints. If your knees feel creaky, or your hips get sore from just walking across the room, kale might be one of the most powerful vegetables you can add to your meals. Kale is rich in vitamin C, and this is critical because your body uses vitamin C to build and repair collagen. Collagen is what keeps your joints flexible and cushioned. Without enough of it, you start to feel that bone-on-bone feeling, that stiffness when you move, and that soreness that doesn't quite go away. Vitamin C helps keep collagen strong and stable so your joints have the support they need. But kale doesn't stop there. It's also packed with vitamin K, and this one is especially important for seniors. Vitamin K helps your body place calcium where it belongs, in your bones, and keeps it out of your joints. That's key, because when calcium builds up in soft tissues like your knees or hips, it causes pain, stiffness, and limited movement. Kale helps stop that from happening. You'll also find manganese and copper in kale. These trace minerals may not sound exciting, but they're crucial for a process called collagen cross-linking. That's just a fancy way of saying, they make your collagen strong and stretchy, so it holds up better under pressure, like when you bend down, walk upstairs, or get out of bed in the morning. There was a 2020 review that looked at how plant-based diets affected people with joint issues like osteoarthritis. The researchers found that leafy greens like kale helped improve joint lubrication, making movement smoother and less painful. It didn't happen overnight, but over time, the improvement was real and lasting. Adding kale to your meals doesn't have to be difficult. You can sauté it with garlic, mix it into soups or casseroles, or even enjoy it raw by massaging it with olive oil and a squeeze of lemon. It softens the leaves and makes them easier to chew. 7. Cabbage. Cabbage is one of those vegetables most people don't get excited about. It's simple, cheap, and has been part of traditional meals for generations. But for older adults dealing with aching joints, sore legs, and stiffness that just won't go away, cabbage might be the unsung hero your body has been waiting for. It may not look fancy, but what it does inside your body is surprisingly powerful. Let's start with the basics. Cabbage is rich in vitamin C, just like kale and spinach. And as you've heard before, vitamin C is one of the most important nutrients your body needs to build collagen. But here's something that sets cabbage apart: it also contains glutamine, an amino acid that helps repair tissue and replenish joint fluid. That fluid acts like a lubricant inside your joints. It's what lets your knees bend smoothly, your hips rotate without pain, and your ankles move freely. As we age, our bodies produce less of this fluid, but glutamine helps restore it. Cabbage also supports your joints by reducing inflammation. Especially red cabbage, which is full of anthocyanins, a type of plant compound that calms the immune system and protects joint tissue from breaking down. For seniors who wake up with swollen knees or feel sore after walking even short distances, this can make a real difference. A study from the University of Illinois in 2021 showed something remarkable. Seniors who added cabbage to their meals just 3 times a week experienced a 43% drop in joint swelling. They also had better balance and reported faster recovery after physical activity. And follow-up tests showed that their joint fluid had improved, meaning their bodies were literally restoring cushioning and flexibility. Cabbage is easy to include in your meals. You can braise it with a splash of vinegar, stir it into soups, or even eat it raw in coleslaw. It's affordable, widely available, and gentle on digestion. You don't need a lot, just a few servings a week can begin to support healing. So while cabbage might not come with a fancy label or a health trend hashtag, it brings something far more valuable: real nourishment for your joints. It's a reminder that sometimes the strongest medicine is also the simplest. If you've been living with stiffness and pain, give cabbage a try. One bowl at a time, you might just feel your steps getting lighter again. If you've made it this far, take a moment to let this truth sink in: your body hasn't forgotten how to heal. Even if your knees crack when you stand, even if your hips ache after a short walk, even if your joints feel stiffer than they used to, healing is still possible. It may not come from a pill or a quick fix, but it can absolutely begin with your plate. You've just learned about 7 vegetables, simple, affordable, and full of life, that can help your body rebuild collagen, reduce swelling, and bring back smoother, stronger movement. These aren't rare ingredients. You don't need to order them online or visit a health store. They're likely already sitting in your kitchen, or just a short grocery trip away. And now I'd love to hear from you. Which one of these vegetables are you going to try first? Or maybe there's one you already eat that's helped you feel better. Type it in the comments so we can learn from each other. If this video gave you hope, insight, or even just a little motivation, please type 1 in the comments. And if there's something more you'd like me to talk about next time, type 0 and tell me what's on your mind. Thank you for spending this time with me. You're not alone on this journey. Your body is still listening, and it's ready to respond, one bite at a time.